नमस्कार बच्चों, हम पढ़ रहे हैं चैप्टर 5 कंटेम्प्रेरी साउथ एशिया, जो कि कंटेम्प्रेरी वर्ल्ड पॉलिटिक्स का चैप्टर है. एंड इन दिस चैप्टर, एज आई हैव इंट्रोड्यूस्ड अर्लियर, दैट वी वर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द कंट्रीज ऑफ साउथ एशिया, हाउ द कंट्रीज वर एग्जिस्टिंग एट द टाइम एंड हाउ they were playing an important role and what type of political system was existing there. So we have seen that the countries of South Asia and the names of them and their political system also little bit we have discussed. Sri Lanka and India both were having the democracy, but in other countries the things were changing. Earlier somewhere monarchy was there, the things changed gradually. So all these things we will discuss in the further lectures, and today we are going to focus on the countries like Bhutan, Maldives and Pakistan. Not the whole story, but still we will start how the things evolved in Pakistan, because various countries of South Asians were having the various political culture. तो वो political culture कैसे change हुआ, how the system was changed and how the things change under the leadership of various leaders, हम उनके बारे में पढ़ेंगे. So let's see, Bhutan is a small still monarchy, but the king has initiated plans for its transition to multi-party democracy. So if we see the Bhutan, it is the monarchy, but still we can see the king wanted to change the system, that is the multi-party system. It means they are going to believe in democracy, because as we have seen, democracy is the system which is appreciated and liked by the most of the people of the world. So in the same way, Bhutan still it is monarchy, अभी भी monarchy है, but what they are doing, the king जो है उन्होंने initiate किया है, he showed the willingness. What is that they want to create the system which is the multi-party democracy. So what you can see in that, if we focus on the various countries in all over the world, but especially here in this chapter we are going to focus on South Asia. तो कोई भी कंट्री जो होती है वो अपनी पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम को डेमोक्रेटिक बनाना चाहती है, एंड द रीजन इज डेमोक्रेसी इज द गवर्नमेंट विच इज बेस्ड ऑन द वेलफेयर फॉर ऑल. सभी के वेलफेयर को इवॉल्व करती है. तो जो पहले मोनार्की था, वेयर द किंग वॉज द हेड, monarch was the head, gradually that particular system is also going to be changed. And if we talk about the Maldives, the first example was of the Bhutan. Now we are coming to the Maldives. What is that? It was a sultanate till 1968, when it was transformed into a republic with presidential form of the government. सल्तनत क्या बच्चों? That is the monarchy. सल्तनत लाइक जहाँ पे मुस्लिम रूल होता है तो उनका जो एरिया होता है, जो रिजाइन होता है, किंगडम होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड सल्तनत. सल्तनत का हेड कौन होगा? राजा होगा, है ना, बादशाह होता है, विच वी कैन से इन द उर्दू. सो हेयर वेयर वर द मोनार्की एंड द सल्तनत, धीरे धीरे सारी चीज़ें ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड हुई एक अलग सिस्टम में जो डेमोक्रेटिक था या फिर रिपब्लिक था, जो कि मालदीव में आया. दैट वाज द प्रेसिडेंशियल फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट. दैट वी हैव स्टडीड इन आवर इंडियन सिस्टम, दैट वी आर हैविंग एग्जीक्यूटिव. कौन कौन सी होती हैं? प्रेसिडेंशियल होता है, सेमी प्रेसिडेंशियल होता है और पार्लियामेंट्री होता है. इंडिया अडॉप्टेड द सिस्टम विच इज द पार्लियामेंट्री एग्जीक्यूटिव, बट हेयर वी कैन सी दैट प्रेसिडेंशियल सिस्टम वॉज अडॉप्टेड. In June 2005, Parliament of Maldives voted to introduce multi-party system. अब देखिए आप, प्रेसिडेंशियल सिस्टम में हेड कौन होगा? प्रेसिडेंट होगा. बट व्हाट हैपन, जो पार्लियामेंट थी कहाँ की? मालदीव की. दे वोटेड टू इंट्रोड्यूस मल्टी पार्टी सिस्टम. उन्होंने कहा कि हम मल्टी पार्टी सिस्टम को इंट्रोड्यूस करेंगे. सो व्हाट इज द सिस्टम? दैट कि वहाँ पे जब बहुत सारी पार्टीज होती हैं, देन द कॉम्पिटिशन विल बी द फेयर मैनर एंड पीपल विल हैव द वेरियस चॉइसेस. लोगों के पास बहुत सारी चॉइसेस होती हैं. सो देन इन 2005 व्हाट हैपेंड, अपोजिशन पार्टीज लीगलाइज्ड. जो अपोजिशन पार्टीज थी वो सारी लीगलाइज्ड हो गई. सो ग्रेजुअली द सिस्टम वॉज टर्निंग टूवर्ड्स द डेमोक्रेसी. नाउ one survey was done earlier, and what was the motive? Motive was to see which system is preferred in all over the world. So the result was survey says people prefer democracy. कि most of the people were liking democracy, they were preferring democracy, and if we see the system in the countries of South Asia, तो आप भूटान को देखें, वहाँ भी ग्रेजुअली मोनार्की से मल्टी पार्टी सिस्टम आया जो कि डेमोक्रेसी का पार्ट था. इफ़ यू सी द मालदीव्स, इन मालदीव्स ऑल्सो यू कैन से and you can see that there was the sultanate, gradually it was changed in the presidential form of the government. And if you see the last point is saying that the parliament, in the parliament people voted for the multi-party system, and in 2005 the opposition parties were legalized. It means till now opposition parties were not legalized, that's why people were facing the issues. And later on when the survey was done, तो people preferred the democracy. अब हम बात करते हैं पाकिस्तान की. What happened in the Pakistan? क्या था वहाँ का political system? हम उसकी बात करें तो देखिए बच्चों, military and democracy in पाकिस्तान. अब पाकिस्तान में जो military और democracy अलग अलग establish हुई, उनकी बात हम करते हैं कि after the first constitution, जब पाकिस्तान का पहला constitution बना, when the first constitution of Pakistan was framed, General Ayub Khan took over the administration of the country and soon got himself elected. General Ayub Khan ने जब वहाँ का फर्स्ट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बना, टेक ओवर कर लिया चार्ज और अपने आप को इलेक्टेड अनाउंस कर दिया. So it was the starting of the political system there. And after dissatisfaction against his rule, he had to give up office. उन्होंने अपने आप को रूलर डिक्लेयर तो कर दिया, बट व्हेन द पीपल वर डिससेटिस्फाइड देन ही हैड टू गिव अप द ऑफिस. फिर उनको वो ऑफिस को छोड़ना पड़ा. देन मिलिट्री टुक ओवर अगेन अंडर यहान खान. अब मिलिट्री रूल आ गया किसके बाद? अयूब खान के बाद. दैट वाज अंडर यहान खान. सो व्हाट हैपेंड दैट टाइम ड्यूरिंग हिज रूल? पाकिस्तान फेस्ड Bangladesh crisis and after a war with India in 1971. अब यान खान के अंडर जो मिलिट्री रूल था, at that time also the Pakistani people faced the crisis. दो मेन बातें हुई. The first one was the Bangladesh crisis and the second one that was the crisis which was the war between the India and the Pakistan in 1971. So here we can see these were the things, how the things were changing gradually, incidents were changing step by step. Then East Pakistan, the eastern part of the Pakistan was broke down and it emerged as the independent country. अब East Pakistan जो थे उसको independent country as a Bangladesh it need to be declared. This demand was raised by the people, and elected government under leadership of the Zulfikar Ali Bhutto came in power 71 से 77 के बीच में. So किसी भी कंट्री के पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम में चेंजेस आते हैं, and the changes in political systems are going to direct the things in that manner how the people are needed to be governed. So here you can see, if we see the incident of Pakistan, number one, after first constitutional was made, General Ayub Khan took over the administration of the country and soon got himself elected. But the people were not satisfied with the rule of Ayub Khan, so he had to give up the office. The second one, military took over again under Yahan Khan. Military rule आया वापस during his rule. यहान खान के रूल के अकॉर्डिंग बांग्लादेश क्राइसिस हुआ और इंडिया पाक वार हुआ. दैट वाज द पीरियड ऑफ 1971. ईस्ट पाकिस्तान ब्रोक अवे टू इमर्ज इंडिपेंडेंट कंट्री कॉल्ड बांग्लादेश. अलग से बांग्लादेश जो था उसके इमरजेंस की बात हुई. इट मीन्स पाकिस्तान फेस सो मैनी ट्रेजेडीज दैट टाइम एंड इलेक्टेड गवर्नमेंट 71 से 77 के बीच में आई. जुल्फिकार अली भुट्टो, उसके बाद बेनजीर भुट्टो, नवाज शरीफ. दैट सीक्वेंस वी विल स्टडी इन द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. सो इट वॉज द स्टार्टिंग हाउ द सिस्टम ऑफ political system of the various countries were changing step by step, how the rulers were going to be changed. But overall view, when we see the various countries and their political system, we will be able to identify that every political system, when it's going to be changed and when the democracy is evolved, the people are in the favor of democracy, multi-party system, strong oppositions. These were the things which were appreciated by the people, and people were willing in the willingness to do that. If some military ruler is there, कोई military ruler आता है, so people are not satisfied with that, then the person need to leave the office. It happened in the case of Ayub Khan. अगर हम डोमिनेशन की बात करते हैं या मिलिट्री रूल की बात करते हैं, हम ब्रूटलनेस की बात करते हैं, सो थिंग्स आर ऑटोमेटिकली गोइंग टू बी चेंज. द पीपल आर नॉट इन फेवर ऑफ दैट बिकॉज एवरीवन वांट टू डू द वेलफेयर ऑफ ऑल. बट व्हेन द डोमेटिक सिस्टम इज देयर, डोमिनेशन होता है, व्हेन द माइटी इज ओनली द रूलर, at that time the people face so many difficulties. It happened in the case of Pakistan also. So this was the incident which was changing. एक बार दोबारा पढ़ते हैं हम. भूटान में क्या था, मोनार्की है, बट जो राजा है वो क्या चाह रहा है कि मल्टी पार्टी डेमोक्रेसी बने. मालदीव में सल्तनत से प्रेसिडेंशियल सिस्टम में आया एंड पार्लियामेंट ने पास किया कि देयर शुड बी द मल्टी पार्टी सिस्टम एंड अपोजिशन पार्टी जो होती हैं इट शुड बी लीगलाइज. देन वन सर्वे वॉज डन वेयर द पीपल प्रेफर्ड डेमोक्रेसी. And now we are talking about the military rule in the Pakistan. First constitution के बाद अयूब खान ने अपने आप को declare किया. He is the general of that Pakistan, but people were dissatisfied, so he need to leave the office. Then military में Yan Khan was there, but Bangladesh crisis and Indo-Pak war was the main thing of that time. But East Pakistan never broke into the Bangladesh because people were in the need of independent nation की मांग आई तो बांग्लादेश बना. Then elected government आती है first time 71 से 77 के बीच में under the leadership of Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. So here we have seen the short introduction of the change of political system in Pakistan. Now we are going to continue with that because after Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, Benazir Ali Bhutto, Nawaz Sharif, so many prominent leaders were there जिनके बारे में हमें पढ़ना है और उनके सिस्टम को स्टडी करना है. So this was the topic of the day. You need to revise the things from the book. Don't forget to read from NCERT and the link of CBSE My Guide I am going to send you. You will find the questions. जितने भी possible questions इस topic से बन सकते हैं. So you will get the idea what sort of questions can be made according to the demand of the question. 1 mark, 3 mark, 5 mark. You need to write the answer. Beside that, you will have some notes link also. CBSE के notes we are going to provide you. आप उनको read करें because you will have the short glimpse of that. So it will be easier for you to revise. So whatever we are discussing, do note down in the notebook also and do complete your work. Rather than that, one more thing I will say, don't forget to read from NCERT. The students, those who are studying regularly, they will not get any issue. So do revise. Thank you so much.